Okay guys, it is currently Friday, June 28th, which is so crazy. It's the end of June already, but I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along with me for another day in my life. We're leaving for our family vacation tonight or tomorrow morning. I'm not really sure of the exact details yet, but I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along with me while I run errands, just kind of get some last minute stuff done. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I went to Walmart this morning because I had to pick up some envelopes. So I picked up these super cute neon pack of envelopes. There's like little note cards with envelopes, and it was literally $15 for 100 of them, which was such a steal. Because if you guys haven't been following me on Instagram, I have been selling these super cute Beat It bracelets over on my Etsy, which is linked down below. But it is so crazy how many of you guys are buying them. I'm just blown away. So I had to go pick up some more envelopes, have my little station set up and everything. So I do have to run to the post office because I have some orders, which is just so crazy to me to send out. So we're gonna do that today. I also need to grab lunch. I'm thinking about getting my nails done. I'm not 100% sure because I like doing my nails, but at the same time they chip so easily when I do them that when I get like shellac or something, it'll last. And since I'm gonna be like in the ocean and stuff, I just figured it might be a good idea to get it done and just kind of treat yourself. And I also ordered my rainbow bead kit, which I will show you real fast. I ordered another one of these because I'm out of the blue beads because I had such a big custom order and I have all my letters alphabetized and everything, which is a little crazy, I'm not gonna lie. But I ordered it on Amazon because everywhere I went to like 5 different stores and they were sold out of the exact same kit, and I'm like, I just need these colors. So I found it on Amazon 2 days ago and I signed up for the Amazon Prime free trial to get the 2-day shipping since we're leaving so soon. So I'm just like hoping they come in time, but I'll keep you guys updated on that. But I'm gonna go run to the post office. I'll show you guys my outfit before I go. If you guys are wondering what that is my big number balloon because I just celebrated 3 years of YouTube, which is so awesome. But my outfit is this super cute pink tank top. I have no idea where this is from. Then some blue chino shorts and my gold platinum Palm Beach sandals. And then I just have on 2 Lily and Laura bracelets, my monogram ring, and then a scrunchie. Because it is so hot here, I might have to put my hair up, but it's just a super simple outfit. I stopped and got lunch at Chick-fil-A, and then I drove to the post office, got my bracelets in the mail, which I'm so excited about. I can't wait to see how you style them. So if you get them, be sure to take a picture with it, send it to me, Snapchat me, DM me, post it on Instagram. I would love to see how you're wearing your new arm candy. I think that'd be so much fun. And then me and my mom went and got Chick-fil-A. It was just like a nice little girls lunch before we go on vacation because we have a lot of packing to do, and we're kind of like out of food because before vacation we always try to like make sure our fridge is kind of empty. You know what I mean? Because you don't want to like leave stuff that could like get bad while you're gone. But now I'm on my way to get my nails done and I'm super excited. I'm thinking about getting all white, but I'll keep you guys updated. I probably won't bring my camera inside of the nail place because I'm always so nervous when I go get my nails done because I feel like I just get talked into everything. So I'm like, it's okay, Kelly, you got this. So I'll keep you guys updated on how my nails go. I really want to get shellac, so hopefully it's not too expensive. Okay guys, so I went to the nail salon and they said walk-ins are welcome, but it was gonna be like a 35 minute wait. I'm trying to set you guys up. And they said it was gonna be like a 30-minute wait, and I was like, you know, there's a CVS right next door. So I picked up a new nail polish and I paid $20 for 2 of these. They were $10 a piece. So I got the Sally Hansen 2-step like miracle gel. So I got the miracle gel in white because I wanted to get a white manicure done, and then I just got the gel polish on top of it, and I paid $20. I feel like honestly that's probably cheaper than going to get my nails done, and then I can just do this whenever I have the free time today because I was like, if I wait 30 minutes it's gonna take longer than that just to get it done. So I'm super excited about this, plus I can use this multiple times and I've heard really good reviews about that. So I picked that up and now I'm gonna head home because I have to get some last minute packing done. But I did pack most of my stuff because I filmed a pack with me earlier this week, which will be up later this week, which I'm so excited because you guys really liked that when I did it for France. I pulled out my Kelly DIY bag and I just think this is so cute. But I'm gonna head home. It is 92 degrees outside. It's very hot. Blast the AC. I also got my Jonas Brothers CD in the mail, because if you buy Jonas Brothers concert tickets with the ticket, or at least the tickets that I buy, you got a free CD with each purchase. So I have 2 of these now and I have been jamming out to it. I've never used the CD in my car before, but you know, it's a lot of fun, and the artwork inside of it is just so cute. So I think that's one of Kevin's daughter's artwork, and then it's just like a picture of the Jonas Brothers. You guys know I'm obsessed. I can't wait for the concert. It's gonna be so much fun. But I'm gonna head home, see how my schedule looks, and then hopefully get my nails painted. I'll keep you guys updated on how they turn out. I'm super excited about it. I'm kind of sad the pink sparkles are gonna leave. Can you guys see that? But it definitely needs to be redone because this one chipped. But it's okay, we got this. Come back to me. I rearranged my desk just a little bit because I've been pre-filming so many videos, and so I had to edit so many videos, and I don't know, I just got like tired of facing one way, so I changed it, and it just makes it feel a little bit better. So like I mentioned in the car, I picked up the Sally Hansen nail polish. I'll be sure to let you guys know how I like it. I can't wait to try it out later. But when I came home, I had 2 packages on the doorstep. This one is from Pixie Beauty, and then my Amazon Prime. Sounds like beads. I'm so happy this came in time. I was really sweating it because I bought all my beads to do them on vacation, but I need to get some scissors real quick. Pixie always has the cutest PR packages. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. So it is their vitamin C daily dose of skin brightening 5-packed skin treatments for all skin types. Oh, and it has my little name on it, so it's like prepared for Kelly. Can you guys see that? That is seriously so cute. Thank you so much, Pixie. I can't wait to try these out. Okay, let's open it up. So we have a vitamin C lotion. I bet these smell really good. A vitamin C serum. These are slowly becoming my favorite part of any skincare routine, which if you guys haven't seen my skincare routine, I will insert a card. A vitamin C tonic, so this is a toner. Ooh, and there is a vitamin C caviar balm, which if you guys watch my skincare routine, I went on and on about how the rose one of this product is my absolute favorite, so I can't wait to try this one out. And then a vitamin C juice cleanser with orange flower water. Ooh, I can't wait to try these out. Then we're gonna open up my Amazon package. This makes me so happy. It's all my beads. This is so exciting. I wanted to talk to you guys about custom orders because I have been getting so many requests, and I'm definitely thinking about doing it. Again, I'm going on vacation, so I'm gonna have a ton of free time since I'm just gonna be lounging around by the pool or the beach. I bought all of these originally just to have something to do in the car ride because it is a long car ride. So I'm definitely thinking about it. I'm not sure how to go about it on Etsy, like just because of their formatting, but I'm gonna try my best to figure it out. But I definitely want to do custom orders where like you guys get to pick your color out and like a little saying that you want on the bracelet. So keep up with me on Etsy. It is linked down below. I think you can like favorite my shop and you'll get notified. I'll keep you guys updated on social media as well. So thank you again for checking them out and supporting me, and it's just so much fun. But now I'm gonna sit down and edit a video because I need to keep updated. I've been doing daily videos for like the last week, and then I kind of did it the week before. So I would love to know if you guys have been noticing it, if you guys like it. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so you can get notified when I do upload my video. But it's been so much fun, but I've been editing a ton, so I need to edit for a little bit, and then I'm probably gonna help my family pack up for a little bit just because I really enjoy packing and like I'm kind of good at it. So I'll help them out, and then I'll update you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, I am in the car again. I'm headed over to one of my family's house because they're having like this little party get together thing, and I decided to tag along with my mom, and I have to swing by the library and drop my library books off that I finished reading because I don't want to get overdue charges while I'm gone out of town. And then I also have to swing by the post office again because I've sold so many more bracelets, which is so crazy, so thank you so much. And I switched outfits just because my other one, it's so hot here, I'm just like sweating and it's really gross, but it's like 98 degrees outside, which is crazy. And I still need to finish packing, which I'll show you guys the progress I have made so far today once I get home. And I still have a lot of editing to do, but you know, we're still living life. It's all good. Oh, definitely. Oh my god, there's geese in the room! Oh, I'm really That's so far away. Okay guys, so we are leaving now and I have so much stuff to do. I still need to finish packing, but we're gonna head home. It is so hot outside. I'm like sweating so much, but I'll show you guys my outfit when I get home. Then I need to pack, I need to edit a video, got a little to-do list. And also my nail polish that I painted, I kind of like it. I don't know if I'd buy it again. It's kind of like bubbly, but it looks good. It looks good. That's the update. I forgot to tell you guys about that, but we're gonna drive home now. Okay guys, I'm back in my room. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit real quick. So I just threw this on really fast because it's so hot. My other outfit was like gross. So I just have on this light pink striped tee. It's from Southern Short Company, and then these Southern Short shorts. They're really cute. They scrunch up at the waist, and then some white sneakers. I just thought it was so cute for being outside. Got my little scrunchie and some bracelets, but I really need to finish off packing. So I have this little pile. It's like clothes that I forgot to pack that I want to pack that aren't in my suitcase yet. My blow dryer and straightener because I need to bring those, but I still need to blow dry my hair later because I need to shower. Got my pillow, and I want to see if my mom wants to borrow this nail polish, if I should bring it. Gotta fill up my water. That's what I'm going to wear in the car. I was going to wear a different outfit originally, but since we're leaving at 3 in the morning, I was like, I want to be really comfortable. So it's just like athletic shorts, socks, a sports bra, a tank top, my Nikes. So basically this is everything I'm bringing. I know it's a ton of stuff, but this is all filled with my clothes. You guys will see a pack with me very soon. And then this has like my makeup, my jewelry, my outfit that I'm going to change into. So this is kind of nice to have, like, in case you guys are leaving in the middle of the night, because I'm going to wear like comfortable clothes. But then before we get to our accommodation, I kind of want to like change into comfortable clothes, maybe put some makeup on and just kind of feel more put together. Clothes are all in there, swimsuits, everything, shoes. And then as I mentioned before, I've been selling so many bracelets that I want to start doing custom orders. So this has all of my bracelet making stuff in here. So there's beads, pre-made, my books that I'm going to be reading, and just like pens and pencils to ship it all out, stamps, everything's in here. I wasn't going to bring any of the stuff, but now I am, and it's just like an extra bag, but my mom said it's fine. And then I have my North Face backpack, so I have my big DSLR camera, my Polaroid, my laptop, some books that I want to read, and then my little tripod. My laptop's currently charging, so it's just like in there. I can't forget to bring chargers, but that is the packing situation. It's pretty good. I just have to figure out where to put all of that stuff. I still need to edit, and I also told my mom I'd help her pack. So I'm gonna end the vlog here just because I have so much to do, and I feel like I'm gonna forget to do it if I'm like trying to focus on a vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been busy. It's been so much fun. Again, if you haven't already, check out my Etsy shop. It's listed down below. There's gonna be tons of vacation vlogs, videos. I'm super excited. We're gonna have tons of pictures because I packed tons of outfits for the 7 days that I'm going to be there. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys!